Welcome back. It's time now for the Financial Week. The two major telecoms providers, Digicel and Flow, are defending their voice and data plans this evening following complaints that the plans being advertised as unlimited are not. The telecoms providers addressed the issue in a virtual discussion hosted by the Consumer Affairs Commission, CAC, earlier today. Andrew Laidley reports.
Read the fine print. That's the word from both Digicel and Flow surrounding widespread criticism that their unlimited plans are a sham. Head of communications at Digicel, Elon Parkinson, explained that the plans are unlimited, but conditions apply.
On a lot of occasions, we've discovered that, customers aren't always using the service as an individual consumer service, right? And remember, there are terms and conditions that are applicable to the service that we provide to individual customers, and we expect our customers to adhere to those terms and conditions.
Similarly, Director of Communications and Stakeholder Engagement at Flow, Keon Mitchell, says the company isn't hiding the facts. She argues that the details are available to those who take the time out to read them. Failing that, Mrs. Mitchell says the company has invested in public education programs to ventilate the issue.
We have done a lot of public education around the whole concept of unlimited, as well as what it means when you are operating within the fair usage policy guidelines. And so we've noted a significant decline in terms of our customers reaching out with questions around that. The information from our end is readily available online. We speak about it in our stores when our customers come in to purchase. And so that has helped with the education around unlimited and fair usage.
And it's these initiatives which she says are starting to pay off, with more customers enjoying the unlimited service as advertised.
Over 98% of our customers on our unlimited plans actually have a true unlimited experience. It is less than 2% that will actually be kept within the policy framework.
The telecoms providers stressed that, for example, customers who try to use an individual unlimited plan for business use will face challenges. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
We go on to currency trading. It ended today with the US dollar selling for $151.94. The Canadian dollar sold for $120.39. The pound is going for $210.65, while the euro ended the day at $186.57. Grace Kennedy Group is reporting its best financial performance in its 99-year history for 2020. Revenues amounted to $115.4 billion, reflecting an increase of $12.3 billion over 2019. Net profit totaled $6.9 billion compared to $5.1 billion in the previous year. Grace Kennedy Group CEO Don Webby attributed the performance to the company's successful execution of its strategic initiatives, notwithstanding the challenges presented by the COVID-19 pandemic. Barita Investments says it has acquired a 20% stake in Derrimon Trading Company. The acquisition was done during Derrimon's recent additional public offer. This minority stake acquisition sees Derrimon Trading an associate company of Barita Investments Limited. Jason Chambers, Director of Barita Investments and Chief Investment Officer of Barita's parent company, Cornerstone, said the minority acquisition should be seen as a byproduct of the company's increased investing capacity. We go on to the stock market. The JSE index gained 2,126 points today, and the junior market index inched up by less than a point. Among the winners were Fosrich, Productive Business Solutions, US dollar shares, Everything Fresh, CNWJ Cooperative Credit Union, and Sterling Investments. On the losing side were Siboney Group, Palace Amusement, AMG Packaging and Paper, Consolidated Bakeries, and Indies Pharma. And that's it for the Financial Week. News from overseas after the break.